I don't think people really realize how much I love Ting. Like, if my girl was a bottle of Ting, I would probably drink her. Yo, edit that out. Grapefruit plus Jamaica equals Ting. Let me tell you something. Ting is a Jamaican brand of soda, made from the hands of God himself, that is capable of quenching the thirst of anyone under the Caribbean sun. I would like to give a special shout out to Ting, Love My Ting, and Jamaican Care Packages, because Ting decided to send me a care package fresh from Jamaica. This shit kinda heavy and I have no idea what's on the inside, right? My favorite food obviously is Jamaican food. I am that biased, I'm going to say that. And if this has even the smallest of Jamaican snacks in here, I am going to lose my shit. Let's tear this open. Oh my god. Yo! Maxfield Easter bun? Tasty cheese? Yo! You know, like I don't have real proper bun and cheese, yo. Dog. Chippies banana chips. Yo, listen to me. Tiggers, dog. Tiggers. Tiggers. Dog. Bridget, then give me tamarind balls. For the people who don't know what tamarind balls are, these are literally sugar-coated tamarinds. I love you. Like, I really love you. Like, Ting, I love you. I love your product so much. These are real life tears right now. Yo, people them. Yaadman Etan there. Thank you guys for watching. Please remember, subscribe. This hand kinda busy. Follow me on Instagram. Give me a like, share, comment. I love you guys, really and truly. I'd also like to thank you guys once again for helping me to get to 300 subscribers very fast. Like, I literally just decided to start this YouTube thing a lot more seriously last month, and you guys have gotten me to 300 subscribers. Yaadman out.